It's Saturday, October the 18th. I just left the farmer's market and of course had to come across the soccer fields, and I'm going to exit the Riverwalk after I ride around in it for just a little while. But I did want to film this series of bridges. One of them is very long, and it's really interesting how it feels to go across such a long bridge. The scenery changes quickly, and I haven't filmed it from this direction yet, so here I go. This is just went over a little bridge. I'm going uphill now, so approaching the longish bridge, and I'll shut this off on the other side of the bridge. But it's just a really neat thing to have all these little bridges and big bridges on the Riverwalk. Adds variety and overlooks for the waterways and stuff. So this one is this is the nice. It's the longest bridge I've encountered on the Riverwalk, I should say. So anyway, just to give you an idea. And of course it goes underneath the freeway. And it goes over, there's water off to the left. But it's just a lot of changing atmosphere on this single bridge. And I'm at the end of it.